Hopes of a military coup against President Emmerson Mnangagwa, led by Vice President General Constantino Chiwenga and his associates, have reportedly been squashed after sources say the South African President Cyril Ramaphosa assured his Zimbabwean counterpart that South Africa will not countenance any unconstitutional removal of a president in Zimbabwe. Zvisarapena mashoko aita kuti zvigananda panguva ino zvipururudze after Hopo Chimono auya achiti VP Constantino Chiwenga has been blocked. Don't forget to subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Honorable Temba Mliswana chipindura this post achidanyira achiti, you are correct Moyo. I would venture to assert that the notion of a coup in this country is itself unfounded. The events of 2017 which have given rise to such thoughts while involving military engagement when unconstitutionally sanctioned. The removal of President Mugabe was fundamentally executed through parliamentary processes. That is why some of us actively engaged with SADC to advocate for our nation, emphasizing the democratic essence of the entire initiative and its grounding in popular support rather than military action. Even the former First Family has retained its status and benefits, exemplifying that the actions taken were not motivated by vindictiveness. In fact, Mugabe continues to be revered posthumously as a distinguished Pan-Africanist. The current narrative about a coup should, at best, be largely performative, a form of subversively. As such, an undertaking is fraught with complexity and peril. President Ramaphosa's reported stance during his recent visits affirms this slippery slope. Such reckless pursuits lead to treason charges. Doma developments anobuda panguva ino Mliso achisapota aiwa the view yekuti a coup panguva ino it has been proved panguva ino yabatiwa hakusina a coup ichaitiwa against President ED Mnangagwa ingakonzereswa aiwa nevari kumenshinawo naVP Constantino Chiwenga or his associates. Pina comment section menu boti dzamafungiro iyi muri kudiwa pamusoro pe these developments. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.